The individual cleaning kit for the model of 1917 rifle includes a nickeled oil and thong case, cleaning brush, screwdriver, bore brush, and thong. This kit is intended as a basic field maintenance kit for the rifle. The cap for the oiler includes an applicator. Allowing for specific placement of oil drops. On the opposite side of the oiler is a compartment for storing the thong and bore brush. The thong, also known as a pull-through, is approximately 3 feet long and consists of a weight with a male thread on one end of a strong cord and a slotted female threaded brush tip on the other end. The bore brush can be threaded into the female brush tip. The thong can then be used to clean the barrel with either the bore brush or a cleaning patch inserted into the slot. The cleaning brush is used to clean the screw heads and crevices on the rifle of dirt and debris. The screwdriver includes 3 different sized screwdriver blades and a punch. These can be used to disassemble the rifle for cleaning and repairs. Both a field strip and detailed disassembly are covered in separate training films. For use or storage, the screwdriver can be folded. For storage, the weight and the brush tip of the thong can be threaded together. The cord can then be wrapped around the weight and brush tip and tucked under itself for storage in the thong case. Once wrapped, the bore brush and thong can then be inserted into the case. The oil and thong case can then be stored in the trap of the buttstock. With these tools, the individual can perform basic cleaning and maintenance of the rifle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.